On this question, we're going to be shifting a circle and getting the equation of the new circle. So let's imagine our XY axis here, right there. In order to understand the equation they gave us, we need to know the equation of a circle, x minus h squared, y minus k squared is r squared, h and k is the center, r is the radius. So the center for us is going to be 3 comma 5. It's the opposite of the signs you see there because the minus signs are actually coming from the formula, not from the point. And the radius is going to be 3 because the number we see right here, that's your radius squared. So if 9 equals r squared, taking the square root of both sides, you get the radius being 3. So let's just imagine we have something 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got a radius of 3. So it looks like that. And we're not going to make the circle too perfect because it is sometimes helpful to think about just drawing a nice amateurish graph, just so you can understand it, not because it has to be beautiful. But if we go left 4 units, we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. But we still have the radius of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, you don't need to draw this in order to be able to answer this question. It's just good for us to understand it this way. But if the center is 3, 5, and then we go left 4, we should be able to say that that takes us to negative 1, 5 without necessarily graphing it. And the radius is still 3. So in the x minus h equation, we're going to have x minus negative 1 squared and y minus k, y minus 5 squared, and we're still going to have 9 because the radius hasn't changed. So it's going to become x plus 1 squared and y minus 5 squared. Little neater than that. And so the answer that matches that, plus 1 and minus 5, is going to be C here.